Once you upload your video to TikTok, there isn't much you can do, but you can actually download the video again, including the music you've added, the text, and all those treatments. So you can actually re-upload the video back to TikTok with something new, such as descriptions or hashtags or things like that. So let's get started. I have just saved my video if you don't know how to do that. So click on the 3 dots in the lower right-hand corner, and now you're able to save the video. Profile, click on the plus sign. You can actually find the video you just downloaded. For me, it's right there. From here, you can slightly edit down your video. For example, dragging the red bar at the lower level of the screen, reduce the duration of the video if you choose to. Keep clicking on next until that you've reached the post screen. So right here, you can type in a brand new message. You can select a new cover if you choose to, just like that, and you can publish the video. Now, what I wouldn't recommend you do is to keep 2 of the exact same video on TikTok. Instead, you do want to maybe make one of the videos or the previous video private before you upload this one. There's a saying from a bunch of marketers to say that by making videos private isn't something that TikTok necessarily favors for whatever reason that cause you to want to make a video private. Another trick I want to show you guys is once you save your drafts, right then and there, because the video isn't public, you actually still have all the options to change the text, the hashtags, even the music and the text. Let me show you real quick. As this video shows, and before you publish, it takes you right to the ready to publish screen, but you can actually go back from here. Here, I just want to call out, yes, you can change the text, as you can see, tag new people, add new hashtags, and change the settings on the ready to publish page. Now, lastly, on the post screen, before you hit publish, you are able to have access to these options on the screen, such as changing the music, adding additional text, or even stickers. So I hope you find this helpful, guys. Thanks so much for watching the TikTok series. This is designed for content creators like yourself to celebrate your creation and try to repurpose your content as much as possible. Hey guys, I would like to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Restream. For content creators like myself, since we don't have a large team, it's really important for us to create content very easily. After I go live using Restream onto all my social media platforms, I immediately download the assets and start repurposing it, maybe creating shorter clips such as videos for TikTok. Check it out, Restream's link is in the description below. You can actually use Restream for free forever. And when you're ready to upgrade to the Pro or business version, I have $10 credits saved just for you.